Yes, you can put. These are very big. They are very, very big. You can take. Yes, this be the fish, as you see. So when they are about to eat, I will, I will show you. Come and see. Yes, come and see. Yes, yes. Yes, guys. So as you have seen, this is my farm. That is a 1,000 capacity catfish farm. Actually, we started this project on 1st of January 2025, and now we are in August. So it has been like 7 to 8 months. All right. It has been an interesting journey. We bought 1,000, but we wanted to add more because of the what's the name? Because of death, maybe some may die and cannibalism, as we all know. So we decided to add 100 pieces to it, and then the man gave us 60 as a gift. So we have 1,160 catfish over here. Yes, guys. So this is the second day that we brought. Since we brought them, this is the second day. Yes, actually this morning we came and there was no any mortality. There was no mortality, and we bought 1,100 fingerlings, and then uh, yes, actually we bought the juvenile one, the juvenile. Yes, we bought 1,100, and then he added like 30 to it. Yeah, so we have like 1,160. And then yesterday, because we bought them new, we didn't give them any food. We allowed them to rest, and then due to stress and a lot of things. So it's this morning that we are coming to feed them. Yes, we are just about to feed them. So that is how it is. It has been a long journey, an interesting journey, a lot of learning, mistakes, and the rest. All right. So over here, we couldn't sort them out. All right, we couldn't sort them out. So due to that, some are very very big, and some are very very small, and some are normal size. It's a problem for us. We wanted some people to come and buy it, but when they came, they saw that they are very small, and their advice was we sort them out, and as a result, when you feed them according to their level, their sizes, because the bigger one, it may be that the bigger ones are taking the food of the smaller ones. All right, that is not good. So if you're able to sort them out, we have a pond for only the bigger ones and a pond for only the smaller ones, and the normal ones. You could see that you can feed them at the same rate and they can all grow. What I was so happy about is that they said even the smaller ones, when you feed them very well, they will also grow and become bigger. That was a good news for me. It's a mistake I've done. I mean, we didn't know, without no knowledge, we started this, but still we are learning, and it is a good learning period for us. So we are moving on. One thing also, how did I start this? My workplace is just close to this area, so anytime I pass by, then I saw that one farmer already has a pond. I will show you the farmer's pond. And due to the interest I had, when I got my money, I decided to start with him. I asked him, and he